Like fourth example, you can easily solve the fifth example. In fifth example, in case of tan inverse, there is cos inverse, and right side in case of a square there is tan inverse a. In this function cos inverse, you have to convert into cosine function. So I will write only first step, and then you can easily solve it. It means this step we have to convert in 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by 7x raised to 4 minus 5y raised to 4 equal to cos of tan inverse of a. And you have to write this as k, suppose. And next step will be you have to multiply by denominator 2k. This again all next steps are like our fourth example, means by using multiplying this by k and separating x raised to 4 y raised to 4, you can easily solve. By seeing fourth example, you can easily solve the fifth example. Means you have to show here that dy by dx is y by x again. You have to solve this. Now to solve sixth example. In sixth example, you have to use the relation between logarithmic function and exponential function. First of all, I will write the relation between log and exponential function. If log a to the base b equal to c is there, then conversion of this logarithmic function into exponential function is, we can write b raised to c equal to a. Means power of b is c and power of b is c and b raised to c is a. This is relation between exponential function and logarithmic function. Now we will use this in this example. Now we will solve this example. For this purpose, consider log of x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 divided by x raised to 20 plus y raised to 20 equal to 20. This is our sixth example. We have written as it is. Now we will convert this into exponential. Here base of logarithmic function is e. Base of logarithmic function is e. Means how we can convert this function? Means here we can write here e raised to 20. E raised to 20 is equal to this bracketed term. This bracketed term. This is constant. Means we will write on right side. Means this bracket term x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 divided by x raised to 20 plus y raised to 20 equal to his term e raised to 20. Means e raised to 20 equal to this bracketed term. This is conversion of logarithmic function into exponential function. Whenever there is base is not written, we have to take base as e. Now we have used this relation. Now like previous example, we will write this as k, suppose. Now we will separate the terms of x raised to 20 and y raised to 20 by cross multiply or multiply this term to k. So we get here x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 equal to k into x raised to 20 plus k into y raised to 20. Means we will collect the terms of y. Means if we taken y here and y raised to 20 as common, means this term will occur with y raised to 20. What will be coefficient of y raised to 20? Here this term will be get positive, means here we get coefficient 1 plus k, and on right side suppose this term taken on left side. I have taken this on right side and written on left side, but here this taken on this x raised to 20, this k into x raised to 20 is taken on left side. Now this term will occur here 1, coefficient k will be negative with x raised to 20. This coefficient of y will get positive, both the terms will be positive, and here only k will be negative. Now this is done. Distance is distance. Now we will write here y raised to 20, like previous example, y raised to 20 divided by x raised to 20 equal to कौन सी टर्म आ रही है यहाँ पे y raised to 20 divided by x raised to 20, 1 minus k, 1 minus k divided by 1 minus k divided by, ये टर्म यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर ले गए, ये टर्म यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर, 1 minus k divided by 1 plus. Now we will take 20th root. If here square is, if there is square term, then we will write square root. If power is fifth, we will write here fifth root. Here power is 20, therefore we get 20th root. So we get here, we can write here 20th root means y by is equal to 1 minus k divided by 1 plus k with root. 20th root means 1 divided by 20. Now this is constant. Right side term is constant. Now we will differentiate above equation with respect to x. Means what will be the derivative of this left side? Means denominator as it is, derivative of numerator is dy by dx minus numerator as it is, derivative of x is 1 divided by x square, and right side derivative is 0. If we multiply this by x square, we get x into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Now x dy by dx equal to y we get, and again therefore we get required result as dy by dx equal to y divided by x. This is our required result. Means we have proved that dy by dx equal to y by, there is not any space, therefore I have written this on right side. You can write this on next line, dy by dx equal to y by x. This is the required result of our required solution of sixth example. So we have used here relation between logarithmic function and exponential function to solve this example. Which relation? This relation we have used here. This is formula to solve this example. Now we will see solution of seventh example. Sixth example is logarithmic function we have converted into exponential. Now here is exponential function type example. Now we will first of all write given example as it is. Consider e raised to x raised to 7 minus y raised to 7 divided by x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7 equal to constant. This is given example. If we take log on both sides, we will get here power into multiplication, means x raised to 7 y raised to 7 divided by x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7 into log e, and right side term is log e. And log e is 1. So here we get x raised to 7 minus y raised to 7 divided by x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7 equal to log a equal to log a. Now this log a is constant. This log a is suppose constant. If we write this k above step, then there is no need to write on this step. Now here, therefore we get x raised to 7 minus y raised to 7 divided by x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7. This term as it is, log is 1 and right side is k. Now like previous example, we separate the terms of x raised to 7 and y raised to 7. For this purpose, we have to cross multiply. We have to multiply both sides by x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7. Means right side term will be k into x raised to 7 plus k into y raised to 7. Right, collect the coefficient of x raised to 7 and y raised to 7. Means here we get this coefficient positive, means here we get 1 plus k. And the coefficient of y raised to 7. Y raised to 7 coefficient is 1 plus k. Coefficient of x raised to 7 will be, here is 1 and next is minus k. Now x raised to 7, y raised to 7 divided by x raised to 7 equal to 1 minus k divided by 1 plus k. In this type, in this fourth type, all the examples are of different types. Some examples are inverse trigonometric function, some examples are trigonometric function, logarithmic function, exponential function. In all these examples, we have written right side as k, separating the variable terms, writing the constant term, and we will write the seventh root here. We will write the seventh root. This common procedure is there in all type of example. So we will write seventh root here. Then we get y by x equal to 1 minus k divided by 1 plus k. This seventh root means this is a constant. Now we will differentiate similar manner with respect to x. So derivative of y by x, u by v formula. Denominator as it is derivative of numerator with respect to x minus numerator as it is derivative of denominator is 1 divided by x square equal to right side derivative is 0 because this is a constant. Now if we multiply both side by x square, we get x into di by dx minus y equal to 0. This will be our next step. Now we will find the value of di by dx because we have to show the result for di by dx. Means here y will be positive. Now it will be value of di by dx. Value of di by dx is equal to y divided by this is required result. This is solution of seventh example. Now last example in fourth type is sin of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube equal to a cube. So we have seen this type of example. I will only write first step, then hint for this example, then you have to solve this 8 number solution. Now this sign should be converted into inverse trigonometric function. Means here we get x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube equal to which term will occur here? Sin inverse of a cube. It's like previous all example we have to write here k, and cross multiply or multiply x cube plus y cube and separating the terms of x cube and y cube. Then we have to take the third root and we can easily differentiate this solution, and we can easily prove that di by dx equal to y by x. Means we have proved di by dx equal to y by x in all the 8 examples. This is for you. You can easily solve the 8 solution. In this way you can solve the all example of fourth type.